In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wix Payments account, providing you with a straightforward guide to get your online payments up and running smoothly. Whether you're launching a brand new website or enhancing an existing online store, having your payments set up correctly is crucial for seamless transactions with your customers. So, let's dive into the details and make this process as easy as possible for you. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and head to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Finances section, which is your gateway to managing all the financial aspects of your online store. Within this section, you'll find Payments. This is where the magic happens. Click on Payments to open up the options available for processing transactions on your website. Now, once you're in the Payments section, look for the Setup Payments button. Clicking this will guide you to choose a provider. On the list, you'll see Wix Payments, which is designed to integrate seamlessly with your Wix site. Selecting Wix Payments will initiate a setup wizard, which will walk you through important configurations. As you begin the setup process, the wizard will first ask you to provide some business details. Accurate information here is crucial. You need to input information such as your business name, address, and contact details. It's important that this data matches official documents, making life easier when it's time to verify your account. Following that, you'll be asked for personal details. This is where you enter your name, date of birth, and other personal identifiers. This information is vital, as it ensures that you are a legitimate operator and helps to provide a secure environment for online payments. Next, you'll need to submit information on your banking account. This is the account where your funds will be deposited. Ensure that you have your bank details handy when you reach this step, as you'll need to provide your account number and routing information. Double-check these details to prevent any delays or issues with your transfers. After completing these forms, the wizard will require you to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Verification is a critical security measure, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access the payment account. Once you've submitted all the required information and documents, Wix Payments will review your application. This review typically takes a few days. While you wait, you can check the status within your Wix account under the Payments section. During this period, it's a good time to double-check that all the provided information and documents are up to date and clear. Finally, once your account is approved, you can start accepting payments on your website. It's worth noting that you should familiarize yourself with transaction fees to manage your pricing strategy effectively. And remember, keeping an eye on any updates from Wix will ensure you're always using the latest tools and features. And there you have it. You've now set up your Wix Payments account, unlocking a key component to your online business success. Happy selling, and see you in the next tutorial.